So these companies don't care about the inconvenience that they inconvenience the customers, because they made me sit here a week waiting for this, and now I lost all the footage of me taking it out because it's a week later and I've been going through stuff. So anyways, I was able to take this off easy. I marked it, and I marked it so it's this way, and this I did not have to bang it out. I was able to just pull it off just like that. Okay, and this is the O-ring that came off. I was able to take that out very easily with the tool. It didn't fight me. So this is inspection again. Everything looks good. So I don't really want to take out most of the oil there. I want to keep most of it in there. Looks good. I don't see any metal shavings. Anyways, let's see if we can put this back together. It's a week later. I had it covered up. So I want to make sure no hair and no lint or anything. It's dust got collected. I had covered it up, but it's been a week. 5 days I have to wait till the right part comes in, because these companies, they go and they order from them, from the store, from people who are barely qualified to help you put your battery in the car, and apparently when they order the things on their computer, they can't order the right things most of the time. For that, I'll just order from off the computer myself and have it shipped to my door. So why would I? And then they charge me shipping and handling, and I have to go back to their store to go and pick it up. That's inconvenience. That level of inconvenience is mind-boggling to me, that we are going and still receiving that kind of customer service. It's all right. They're never going to see me again. I'm never going to spend my money in their location, and any location with their name on it. O'Reilly's. Never will they see my face or a penny of my dollars ever again. So I just want to make sure it's all nice and clean. I know. This is the boring part, guys. I'm just here trying to clean it up. Something should have been done this project finished days ago. It's all good. I'm gonna get it done eventually here. All right, hopefully I can put this back together, guys. Wish me luck here. I'm gonna just clean up all these pieces here. All right. All right, let's see here. How's the best to put it in here? I guess I'll try to put the rest inside the cup. Guys, what am I doing wrong, guys? Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Yeah, you guys know what I'm doing wrong. Well, there might be a better way to squeeze this out, guys, but it's a messy job either way. It's pretty empty, guys. I squeezed it all in there for the most part. All right. Let's see. I didn't get any more out. Just gonna make a mess now. All right, we're good. Squeezed in. Cover. Get on. Make sure. All right. Bear with me, guys. All right, let's see if we can get this. Got new gloves on. Okay, now. Okay, how does this work? Just make sure it's on. Make sure this is tightening down. All right. Let's see, where's my tool? Alright, let's see if we can get this to tighten up. I wonder if I'm doing this right. I don't know if I did that right. Let's see. So, first one, fail. Oh, must I didn't tighten it evenly enough. All right, first fail. Let's try a second one. All right, so the first one, couldn't get it to tighten. So let's try a second one. When you don't succeed the first time, try and try again. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna do this the opposite side. I did the first one. Come down. Snap it in. All right. No, stay. Come down. Snap it. Nope. Okay. All right. If it doesn't do this way, I'm going to turn it around the other way because it worked the other way the first time, but it worked better than this way. So. Let me take it around, turn it around, and see if that helps. Remember, guys, I'm learning as I go. Oh boy, I don't want to learn the hard way. Everything starts falling apart. Because you didn't put things back right the first time, the right way. All right, let's see. Nope. I don't know, guys. If this is gonna back down hard enough. Let's try it. see if I can get this thing to bite. Okay, I squeezed it down as much as I could here. Let's try again. Now I've seen some try to bang down a little bit, but when I do that, it kind of pops off. So I'm not going to do no more than that. Let's see. I think that's locked, guys. That's not coming off. I'm going to wipe it down, and now I'm going to put this one in. I'm trying to get this one down here. Make sure you don't pull it out of its the slot where it's supposed to go in. Because the small one is really hard to clip it down. So by the time you wrestle it down and think that you got it in there, you might have pulled it out of its cradle where it's supposed to be in. Oops. See? Keep knocking it out of its where it's supposed to be. Alright. Let's see if I can lock this down. I think that's locked down. Okay. I believe that it's in a slot. So these two, they're not moving. I think. That boot is installed. What do you think? Guys, now remember, this is a week later. I'm trying to put my car back together. Okay, guys? A week later. So I hope that this is done now. Let's do this side. This is the side with the side. Let's see what else comes in here. The oil. And again, it comes with its with these clips. But I'm not going to use this style clip. I'm going to use the clips that I got extra, this style clip. And I'll never go to this location or any of these stores with this name ever again. Ever again. They'll never see a penny of my money. Don't worry, they won't never see me as a customer ever again. I won't have a problem wasting my time. I don't see how places like that stay open. I really don't. Makes no sense to me. Hopefully this works so I don't have to go back again. Alright, so that goes on here. Alright, so let's see. That goes on here. Alright guys, so we're going to put back on the ball bearing here, and then we're going to try to put this one back on. Alright, so bear with me, okay? Alright, we're back. We're on the side now where we're going to hopefully I'm not blocking your shot. So when I had to take this off, it came off really easy once I took off the clip. I cleaned up everything. Everything looks good. Alright, so marking here and the markings here. Let's line up the marking. Perfect. Markings right on the money right there. All right. Let's see if we can. I hope you guys can see. You reuse the same clip that was on there because the one that came in the box is not the right size. Again, I don't understand how they can send you parts and half of it's not right or something, or it's always an issue with them. It makes no sense. Anyways, I don't have time to be arguing. So this is where I'm putting on the clip. Alright, I just need a screwdriver to make sure that the clip is down. That's what. Okay. No worries, guys, no worries. I took it out easy, it's gonna go back in easy. Okay? Alright. There we go. There we go. Did you hear it clip in? I made it clip in without having to bang on it with the screwdriver. And then I'll make sure that it spin around. Yes, it can move. See? I'm making it spin. Barely. Anyways, it moved. I believe it's in the slot. Alright, so those, I think I got the clip back in. Okay. Alright, so the clip is in. Let's put the grease, put the boots on, and keep it moving. Alright. Am I doing good so far? I hope so. Only time will tell. Okay, so I think this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start squirting some of the grease on the balls, on the ball bearings here. Oops, not ready for it to touch. Recycle, that's right. Recycle. Let me put the rest of it here. This bag is empty, guys. I squeezed out most of it. I don't think you can get any more out of here. Alright, I'm just making a mess. Alright. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Alright, let's see if we can get it back together. Now, it's gotta be You see them? I hope you can see, guys. I hope you can see what I'm seeing. Alright, guys, give me a minute. Let me clean up a little bit, and then we're gonna clamp these down, okay? Okay, guys, so now remember, I'm trying to install these, right? And I've been to the customer service more than once because they sent me the wrong parts. Look at this again. This is gonna be another time, like again, same thing. This one is the original part. You can tell that this part is bigger than this one. It's much smaller. There's at least one extra of these in this one than in the one they sent me. I don't know. I'm hoping that I can make this work because this is ridiculous. Freaking ridiculous. There's that, guys. There's that. They keep sending me the wrong parts. Again, and again. I don't know how these places stay in business. And they send in the wrong parts every time. That inconvenience the customer is unbelievable. How do they claim it? Because no customer is going to come back. I'm never going back to that company or that name brand store ever again. Ever again. How do they stay in business when they don't have customers that are going to come back? Because they know they're ordering the wrong parts. Wasting our time. It makes no sense. I swear I don't understand it. Again, the wrong part. But I'm going to try to make it work. Because I need my car to work. Again, wrong parts. Why? Why is it? I order parts off the internet, off eBay for my car, and they send me the right parts. How is it that when I go to the auto parts places that specialize in helping their customers to get the right parts, their specialty is to get the wrong part for you and your projects, and they charge you for shipping and handling? I can get free shipping and handling on the internet. Comes to my door. I don't have to go back to the store to pick it up. Makes no sense. Makes no sense. Only hope I can make this work. I don't know, it's really tight in there. But it's on, cover's on. I'm pretty sure it's not the right size, but it's on there. This one was more the right size than this one was, but I got it on there. That's on there. Alright guys, so now we'll try to get this back in its spine here. I don't know how we're going to do it, because I hear that you can have hell trying to put this back in. Make sure it's at the 12 o'clock, I guess, and put some grease on it Hey, okay, I got some extra grease here. Put some of this grease on there. This at the, I'm gonna try to put it in with the opening at the 12 o'clock position. That's the way I'm gonna try to do it. Wish me luck, guys. Jeez.